Hola. And hello. Hello. Kumusta ka? Okay, so go and find your partner. Oh, don't be choosy, just choose the one that's sitting beside you. Okay? Okay. Oh, yan. Okay. Okay. And you're just going to follow the beat. No? So if the song goes slower,
Leader, previous chairperson of the psychology department, and a consultant and practitioner in the field of psychology. Thank you very much. Psychologist from Optum UK and Servicio Filipino Incorporated.
So this afternoon, for 60 minutes, we will be talking about mental health. But the very important thing here is to set expectations. Now, why are you here? Wala kaming choice. We have no choice but to be here. But more than that, there should be a purpose why you're here. And it's very important to set our expectations, not just for the facilitator and for the workshop, but also for the self. So if I am going